Social CPA, and it means you earn commissions through social networking activities. Social CPA pays a 10% commission whenever you or anyone you invite to Webtalk makes a purchase. No matter you are a stay-at-home mom with a lot of Facebook friends or a website owner trying to get more value out of your site visitors, or an entertainer trying to monetize your Twitter fans. Social CPA will help you generate tens, hundreds, or even thousands of dollars by using your existing websites, blogs, social networks, and mailing lists to promote your new Webtalk page or profile. Sites like Facebook generate billions of dollars in sales every year because of people and businesses like you who use social networks, and they never once offered you a cent. Webtalk created Social CPA to change that. It's Webtalk's way of saying thank you for making the switch and inviting everyone you know to join you. How much can you make with Social CPA? Well, the possibilities are endless because Webtalk has a virtually unlimited amount of products that can be sold to all members. Webtalk allows its advertisers to sell their products and services with no upfront costs through the Webtalk Discover program. The only requirement is they have to offer their products or services at great local and on every page, so there are no extra clicks to find the deals. It gets better. Webtalk has included every revenue stream they have into the